So you want to learn how to do a front sweep kick? Well, my friend, you're in luck because I have just the tutorial for you. The front sweep kick, also known as Qian Xiao Tui, is a flashy and effective move that can be used in various martial arts styles. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, mastering this kick can add a whole new dimension to your fighting skills. So let's dive right into the tutorial. First things first, let's talk about the basic mechanics of the front sweep kick. Imagine you're standing in a fighting stance, with your left foot slightly in front of your right foot. To initiate the kick, lift your right knee up towards your chest while keeping your foot flexed. Then, extend your leg forward and swing it in a horizontal arc, aiming to strike your opponent's lower leg or shin. One important thing to keep in mind is the control and speed of the kick. You don't want to sacrifice accuracy for power, so focus on maintaining balance and control throughout the movement. Start off by practicing the kick in slow motion, ensuring that each step is executed with proper form and balance. Once you feel comfortable, gradually increase your speed while maintaining control. Now, let's move on to some key tips for executing a successful front sweep kick. First, it's crucial to maintain a strong core and balance throughout the kick. Engage your abdominal muscles and keep your body centered to prevent unnecessary wobbling or falling off balance. Second, remember to keep your eyes on your target. Visualize where you want your kick to land and adjust your technique accordingly. This will greatly enhance your accuracy and precision. Another important aspect of the front sweep kick is timing. You want to catch your opponent off guard, so try to execute the kick when they least expect it. This will increase your chances of successfully landing the strike and potentially knocking them off balance. Timing is everything. Lastly, don't forget to practice, practice, practice. Like any martial arts technique, the front sweep kick requires repetition to become proficient. Incorporate it into your training regimen and drill it from different angles and positions. This will not only improve your overall skill but also increase your muscle memory for the kick. In conclusion, the front sweep kick, or Qian Xiao Tui, is a powerful and dynamic move that can give you an edge in combat. With proper form, balance, and timing, you'll be able to execute this kick flawlessly. So, grab a training partner, hit the dojo, and start practicing. Happy sweeping!